Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can kind of wall glide on Roblox. First, you will need to desync your gear. It is a little bit tricky to do, which I will need to do that again, but I just don't have the time, so I'm just going to teach you the ways of wall gliding on Roblox. You're just going to go to a practice range and you're going to stand like on the wall here. Then you're going to press the shift lock key and you're just going to jump and press like the D. Obviously I'm going to fall because it's like I haven't desynced the gear yet. But that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.